Space is full of wonders, but some discoveries out there are so strange, so mind-blowing, and so weird that they almost seem impossible. Imagine planets that rain glass sideways, stars made entirely of diamonds, or clouds of alcohol drifting through the galaxy. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie. They're real things that astronomers have discovered out in space. Get ready to blast off on a journey across the universe as we count down the top 10 weirdest space discoveries ever made. Each one will leave you amazed, puzzled, and curious about what else might be out there waiting to be found. At number 10, we have a planet that rains glass sideways. Far away, about 63 light-years from Earth, lies a planet called HD 11897333b. It may sound like just another gas giant, but this world is unlike anything we could imagine living on. On this planet, the wind blows at speeds of over 5,000 miles per hour. That's 7 times faster than the speed of sound. And if that isn't wild enough, scientists have found that tiny particles of glass-like silicates swirl in its upper atmosphere. The strong winds pick up these glass shards and hurl them sideways across the planet. Picture this: razor-sharp glass blasting through the air faster than a bullet. If you could stand there, which you can't, it would be like standing in a tornado of flying glass. This terrifying alien weather shows just how strange other worlds can be. Earth has storms, but nothing like this nightmare. At number 9, we have a star made of solid diamond. At first, it sounds like a fairy tale, but it's real. About 50 light-years away from Earth, astronomers discovered a dead star called BPM 37093, nicknamed Lucy after the Beatles song. Lucy is a white dwarf, the leftover core of a star that used to shine like our sun. Over billions of years, it has cooled down and crystallized. What's it made of now? Pure diamond. Yes, you read that right. This star is basically one giant cosmic diamond, about 10 billion trillion carats. That's a diamond so big it would make every gemstone on Earth look tiny. If you could mine Lucy, which we can't, you'd have enough diamond to make everyone on Earth richer than kings. But for now, it remains locked away in the vast darkness of space, the universe's ultimate treasure. At number 8, we have a planet made of burning ice. Next up is Gliese 436b, a planet that completely breaks the rules of science as we know them. It's covered in water, but not like our oceans. On this planet, water is trapped in a strange form called hot ice. How does that work? The gravity on Gliese 436b is so strong that it squeezes the water into a solid state, even though the surface temperature is over 400 degrees Celsius, hotter than an oven. So the water is burning hot, yet frozen solid. This sounds impossible, but it's real. Scientists are still trying to figure out how such extreme conditions exist. It reminds us that space doesn't follow the rules we're used to on Earth, and that's what makes it so exciting. At number 7, we have a massive cloud of space. Alcohol. Believe it or not, there's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space. It's found near the center of our galaxy, in a region called Sagittarius B2. This enormous cloud is about 463 billion kilometers across and contains enough alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. But before you start planning a cosmic party, there's a catch. This isn't the kind of alcohol you drink. It's methanol, a toxic form of alcohol. Still, it's an incredible discovery. Proof that complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life, can form in space. Just imagine a whole cloud of cosmic booze drifting between the stars. It shows how even the most familiar substances can appear in the most unexpected places. At number 6, we have a planet that orbits a pulsar, zombie star. PSR B1620-26b is nicknamed the Methuselah planet because it's one of the oldest known planets in the universe, about 13 billion years old. But what makes it truly weird is what it orbits. A pulsar. A pulsar is the spinning, super-dense core of a star that exploded in a supernova. It blasts out powerful beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. Usually, no planet could survive such violence. Yet somehow, this ancient planet has been peacefully orbiting this dead star for billions of years. It's like finding a flower growing on the edge of a volcano. It shows just how stubborn planets can be, even surviving the death of their parent star. At number 5, we have a moon with a huge underground ocean. We usually think of moons as dry, rocky worlds, but Jupiter's moon, Europa, breaks that idea completely. Beneath its thick, icy surface lies a massive ocean of liquid water, more than twice the amount of water on Earth. This ocean is kept warm by tidal forces. The constant squeezing from Jupiter's powerful gravity creates heat inside Europa's core. Scientists believe this ocean might even be a home for alien life, hidden beneath the ice. Imagine an entire alien sea world, dark and silent, where strange creatures could be swimming right now. It's one of the best places in our solar system to search for life beyond Earth. At number 4, we have the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place in the universe. In the vastness of space, you'd think everything is freezing cold. But one place is colder than anywhere else, even colder than empty space itself. It's called the Boomerang Nebula. This strange cloud of gas, 5,000 light-years away, has a temperature of just 1 Kelvin. That's 272 degrees Celsius, only 1 degree above absolute zero, the coldest temperature possible. It's even colder than the background temperature of space, which is about 2.7 Kelvin. How can it be so cold? The dying star at its center is blasting its outer layers into space at super high speeds. As the gas expands, it cools rapidly, creating the coldest natural spot known in the universe. It's like the universe's own deep freezer, and nothing else comes close. At number 3, we have the immortal jellyfish galaxy. One of the strangest things astronomers have seen are galaxies that seem to grow long, glowing tentacles like jellyfish. These are called jellyfish galaxies, and they form when a galaxy moves at high speed through a cluster of other galaxies. As it speeds along, gas gets stripped from it and trails behind like glowing tentacles. These tentacles are full of newborn stars, shining brightly in space. It looks as if the galaxy is leaving a trail of baby stars behind it, while it swims through the universe. It's beautiful, strange, and shows how violent galaxy clusters can be. Out of destruction comes new creation, a weird, wonderful cosmic dance. At number 2, we have a star that's older than the universe, almost. This discovery shocked scientists. A star called HD 11402883, nicknamed the Methuselah star, seems to be older than the universe itself. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, but this star appears to be 14.5 billion years old. Of course, this probably means our age measurements aren't perfect. There may be small errors in the calculations. But still, it shows that this star formed very shortly after the Big Bang. It has seen the entire history of the universe unfold. Just imagine, while dinosaurs walked the Earth, this star was already ancient. It's like a cosmic time traveler, silently watching everything for billions of years. At number 1, we have a black hole that sings. At the top of our list is something truly mind-bending: a black hole that sings. In the Perseus galaxy cluster, astronomers detected strange sound waves coming from a supermassive black hole. Now, space is a vacuum, so normally sound can't travel. But this black hole is surrounded by hot gas, which can carry pressure waves. These waves are incredibly deep, about 57 octaves below middle C on a piano. That's a note so low our ears can't hear it. This means the black hole is literally humming a cosmic song across millions of light years. It's the deepest sound ever detected from any object. It's haunting, mysterious, and beautiful. Proof that even something as destructive as a black hole can create something strangely musical. The universe is full of wonders, but the weirdest ones are often the most unforgettable. From planets that rain glass and burn with ice, to stars made of diamonds and black holes that sing, space is far stranger than anything we could dream up. Every time we point our telescopes to the sky, we discover something that defies all logic. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The universe is endless, and so are its secrets. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, out there, somewhere, worlds beyond imagination are waiting to be found. And if you enjoyed this mind-blowing journey through space, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment about which discovery shocked you the most, and share this video with your friends so they can be amazed too.